Do you want to add Roman numerals or Arabic numbers and also add the English page numbers in the same Word document? Well, this video will show you how to do that step by step. So let's dive in. All right, here I am in this thesis, and I want to add Roman numerals on the preliminary pages and then add English numbers on the chapter pages. How do we do this? First, we need to break this document up into sections, and we're going to use something called a section break. Up on the top tabs, let's click on Home, and right here in the center, we have the paragraph category. Let's click on the paragraph icon that says Show Hide icon. This shows us all the different hidden formatting in this document. And right on this page, I can see that there's currently a page break here. That basically marks the end of this page and the beginning of the next page, which is where we want our English number to start. Let's click at the end right here. Now we're going to add a section break. To do this, up on the top tabs, let's click on the option titled Layout. Right here, there's the option for breaks, and you have all sorts of different breaks that you could insert. For example, we could re-add that page break, but we want to break this up into different sections. Right down here, I see a category for section breaks. Let's insert a next page break. When I click on that, here you'll see that it's added text that says Section Break Next Page. We have now successfully broken this document up into two separate sections. Right from this page to the beginning of the document is one section, and from this point to the end of the page is another section. I will go to the top of the page and then click on this section labeled Insert. Then under Header and Footer, I will click on Page Number. I want the numbers to be at the bottom of the page, and I will choose to input the page numbers in the center. And that adds the page number to the entire document. We now have a page number ending in 7 right here, and it starts at 1 on this other page. That's because we have grouped them into different sections. Now we are going to change the first section page number to Roman numerals. Click on the footer, and a new tab will appear labeled Header and Footer. Then click on Page Number, and then Format Page Numbers. Under Number Format, I will choose Roman numerals. Then click OK. We now have Roman numerals in the first section and English numbers in the second section. In case the second section also changes to Roman numerals, click on the footer right here. Then up here, you will see Link to Previous, and then uncheck that. That will make sure that whatever formatting we do to the first section does not affect the second section. Lastly, when I go to the top of the page, we will see that we have page number on the cover page, which I don't want. I want the page number to start at the second page. What I can do here is also to add a section break at the bottom of the page. So go to the Layout tab, then click on Breaks, and then under Section Breaks, click on Next Page. And that creates a section break. Now we have our cover page numbered Roman figure 1. The second page is also numbered Roman figure 1. Now we can remove page numbering from the cover page. Just click on the footer here, then go to Page Number. Now click on Remove Page Number. That removes the page number, but that also removes the page number from this other section as well. So what are we going to do? Click on the footer here, then disable Link to Previous. Now we can reinsert the page number by going to Insert Page Number. So that's it. Guys, if you find the video helpful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch similar videos on Word by clicking on your screen.